In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom marketing dashboards in Wrike. If you want a single place to monitor campaign progress, creative throughput, and team workload, you're in the right spot. We'll start inside your Wrike workspace and build a dashboard that surfaces exactly what marketers need without any clutter. Begin by opening Wrike and heading into your workspace. From the main navigation, open the More menu to reveal additional tools. Choose Dashboards to enter the dashboard area where all your existing boards and widgets live. This is the hub for building views that track the metrics and tasks that matter most to your team. To add something new, click Widget. This opens a gallery of options so you can decide what kind of data to display. You'll land on Recommended, which is a great place to start if you want quick wins. These suggestions pull together common marketing needs like deadlines, overdue work, or high priority items so you can move fast without building from scratch. If you're tracking day-to-day execution, choose Task. Use this when you want a list style view filtered by status, assignee, date, or priority. Perfect for keeping an eye on what's in progress or at risk. You can also browse categories like performance for higher level visibility into how work is moving through your pipeline, including throughput and bottlenecks. When your process involves creative sign-offs, approvals is the place to highlight items waiting for review so nothing stalls before launch. Managing larger initiatives, click Project to monitor milestones, health, and timelines across campaigns or launches. And if your focus is resource visibility, select Team to understand workload, assignments, and upcoming capacity across your group. Each category offers pre-built configurations tuned to common marketing scenarios. Once you've found an option that matches your goal, click the one you need. You'll land on a setup screen where you can make your edits. Here, refine the source location to the specific spaces, folders, or projects that contain your marketing work. Apply filters such as status, assignees, tags, or key custom fields your team relies on, and set a relevant time frame like this week, this month, or the current quarter. Give the widget a clear, action-oriented name so teammates instantly understand its purpose, and double-check sorting to surface the most urgent items first. Small choices here make the widget immediately useful. When everything looks right, click Create Widget. Your new widget will appear on the dashboard, ready to use and track. From here, you can repeat the process to add a few complementary widgets, execution, approvals, and performance, so your marketing dashboard tells a complete story at a glance.